build models of cycle and a chip. I use smart circuit to build this circuit.
It's called a breadboard kit. We use it to control an LED using a push button like this.
Components of this activity are push button module, LED module, connecting wires, Tinker orbits, non-programmable main board, and USB power supply. I am now going to demonstrate how this works. When I press this switch, the input gets sent to the output through the wire, which in result turns the LED on. With this, we learned original input and output works.
Here we have used the Tinker Orbit kit for this project. We have used a DHT11 sensor, an OLED display, programmable orbit main board, and some connecting wires. This setup allows us to display the real-time temperature and humidity. Now when I plug this in, and in a few seconds, it takes some time, we get the temperature and humidity of the that is captured using the DHT11. Thank you. The basic I'm using the Discovery Motion Kit. The components used are battery holder, bio motor, some tire, and some wires. The car moves in a straight path. So we are using a 3D kit to draw these 3D shapes. So tend to draw these 3D shapes to practice spatial thinking, creativity, and freehand drawing. Thanks. We have used the mechatronic kit to make the Robo car. The components used in the Robo car are chassis, wheels, motors, jumper wires, battery, and the remote console. If we need to make it work, first we need to connect it, and then if we press these both buttons, the car will move with the front gear, and if we press these both buttons, the car will move in the reverse gear. Thank you. This is a Bitly kit out of which I have made a cubebot. I have used a micro bit and some wires and motors, batteries to make the big cubebot. If we press the A button, the robot turns right. If we press the D button, the robot turns left. If we press both buttons at the same time, the robot moves forward. Thank you.
Greetings. I am Gurita Agarwal and I am here to present this 3D printer. As you can see, we have used this 3D printer to print some posters and a customized idols of Ganesh Ji. We are currently using this printer to print another poster of Ascom's Cottage Tour. The components include the 3D printer itself, the PLA filament which can be seen at the back. It is also known as the polylactic acid, and the CAD software for the design. This activity taught us about 3D modeling, design, and how designs turn into the physical product.